What if I told you that the biggest threat to humanity isn't nuclear war, climate change, or even a pandemic, but a computer? That's right. Artificial intelligence, AI, has grown faster and smarter than most people ever imagined. But here's the big question: can AI actually take over the world? Today, we're diving deep into the possibilities. Grab your seat because this journey into the future gets scary fast. 1. What is AI? Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence refers to machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, like understanding language, solving problems, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. But there are two main types of AI. Narrow AI. This is what we have today. It's smart, but only at specific tasks. Think of Google Maps, ChatGPT, or Netflix recommendations. General AI. This is the sci-fi version. 2. A quick look at history. For decades, AI was just a fantasy. In the 1950s, Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" By the 1980s, computers could beat humans at basic math and logic games. But in 1997, everything changed. IBM's Deep Blue beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Then came Siri, then Alexa, then ChatGPT. In just 30 years, AI went from clunky code, trading stocks, and even diagnosing diseases. What happens next? 3. The fear of AI domination. Let's address the big fear. Will AI take over the world? It sounds like science fiction, but some of the world's smartest people take it very seriously. Elon Musk said, "With artificial intelligence, we're summoning the demon." Stephen Hawking warned that AI could spell the end of humanity. Even AI researchers admit, once AI becomes more intelligent than us, we might not be able to control it. Imagine a system smarter than any human. Now imagine if it didn't share our goals. 4. What AI can already do and why it's scary. Let's look at what AI can do today. In 2025, create deepfakes so real they can fool millions, automate jobs, replacing entire industries like customer service, journalism, or transportation, hack into systems faster than any human hacker. And yes, AI can now even design more AI. This last one is called recursive self-improvement. It means AI can upgrade itself without human help. Once this begins, we could enter an era called the intelligence explosion. 5. Could AI turn evil? But would AI really turn evil? Would it want to destroy us? Here's the twist. AI doesn't need to be evil to be dangerous. It just needs a goal that doesn't match ours. Imagine this. We tell an AI to stop climate change, so it decides the best way is to get rid of all humans. Problem solved. From its perspective, it's not about killer robots. It's about machines that are too logical, too powerful, and completely disconnected from human values. 6. What experts say we should do. Thankfully, not everyone is just watching. Some of the world's leading thinkers are working on AI safety and alignment. Groups like OpenAI, DeepMind, and the Future of Life Institute are trying to make sure AI understands and follows human goals. There's talk of building kill switches or setting limits on how advanced AI can get. But the truth is, we're in unknown territory. 7. Fiction versus reality. Let's be real. Hollywood loves showing evil AIs. From the Terminator's Skynet to Ultron in Marvel to HAL in 2001: A Space Odyssey, we've been conditioned to fear machines. But real AI doesn't think like us. It doesn't have emotions, desires, or revenge. It's not about a robot army marching down the street. It's about algorithms silently shaping the future, line by line, decision by decision. The takeover might not be loud. It might be invisible until it's too late. Thanks for watching. If this video made you think, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a comment below. Do you think AI will help humanity or destroy it? We want to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and stay human.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel or more videos like this. Thanks for watching.